Hi, hello everyone. I'm Ramesh and he is Tootoo. Hi Tootoo, can you say good evening to everyone? Say good evening to everyone. Hmm. Don't do that. Say good evening to everyone. Don't do that. Don't do that. Tootoo, don't be mischievous. Say good evening to everyone. Good evening. Very good. Tootoo, you are so beautiful. Yes, I know that. You know that? And you are so colorful. Yeah, I know that. Do all of you agree that he is so colorful? Yeah, I am so colorful. So Tootoo, when I see our Father who is in heaven, our Father Jesus Christ, He always teaches we, His children. No, He uses you to teach us. Really? How does He use us? Oh, you don't know that. He said, see, when we are worried, sometimes when we look at you, we think you are so colorful, you are so happy, and you are so gifted, and many things, right? Like that. But we are thinking about ourselves, we are worrying a lot. At that time, our Lord Jesus always remember us showing you. Really? How does He say that? He uses a Bible verse. The Bible verse says like this: look at the birds in the air. You mean Tootoo? Yeah.